Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove the crown stem in a Miyota 5Y20 or a 5Y30 watch movement. Locate an arrow on the movement. The arrow will direct you to a tiny point. See that the crown is pushed in the normal position, otherwise you will not be able to put the stem back properly. You have to push that point down using a metal pin or tweezers. Pushing the point down with a tweezer or pin, gently pull the crown out of the watch movement. Let me show you the crown removal process again. That will be all. Hope this tutorial is of help. Thanks for watching.